Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, I am your grade 3 social teacher. In previous class what we have learnt? We have learnt about the moon. What is the shape of the moon? It is a round and the shapes will be different day by day, and it is white and silver in color. Yes? Now in today's class we will learn twinkling stars. What do we see in the night time, children? Yes, we see stars, right? And we see moon also. Why we see stars at the night? Because the sun is very hot. In the daytime also we can see the stars, but we can't see because the sun have the more light and the stars have also its own light. But the sun is having a huge light that will dominate the stars. That's why we can't see the stars in the daytime. But the stars will be there in the daytime also. But we can see more in the night time because the sun will be not there and the moon will not have its own light, only the stars have. That's why we can see the stars in the night time. Okay children, how many stars you can see? You can count the stars? No children, the stars are countless. Yes, in detail more we will learn from the reader. Okay children, open your reader. Everyone open page number 115. We will do the fourth topic, the stars. Stars are huge balls of gas and have their own heat and light. The sun is also a star. There are thousands of stars that twinkle in the night sky. They are not as small as they appear to be. Some stars are bigger than the sun. They look small because they are very far away from the earth. The sun is our nearest star, therefore it's look big. We can't see the other stars during the day. We see them only at night because the bright light of the sun during the day does not let us see the stars. You can see the stars. Why we see at the night time? Because moon doesn't have its own light, then the light of the stars we can see. In the daytime we can't see because the sun and the stars have its own light, but the sun is more lighter. That's why it will dominate the stars. In the daytime also stars will be, because of the light of the sun we can't see the stars. That's why we can see the stars at the night time with its own light. Okay children, in brief I will show you the points on the board. Okay. Yes children, we have learned from the reader about the twinkling stars, right? We will see some summarized points in it. Okay. Now what? Stars can be seen only in the night sky like a moon. They look smaller than the sun and the moon. But the fact is the stars are bigger than the moon. They appear smaller because they are far away from the earth. They are very far away from the earth. That's why the stars look very small and the moon will look bigger. But actually the stars are only big, not the moon children. They appear small because they are far away from the earth. Most of the stars are round in shape like sun and the moon, and not the actual shape what we generally draw. We generally draw in which shape, ma? Like this shape we will draw, right? No, this is not the shape of the star. The star shape is also round only, like the moon and the sun. This only generally we will draw, but the actual shape of the earth is, star is round only. And the star has its own heat and light, and also sun is a star. Why don't we see stars during the day between the sun and the moon, which is very similar to a star? Why is sun called a star? Why is sun called a star? Stars have their own heat and light like a sun. They are also made up of hot gases like sun. We don't see the stars during the daytime because the strong light of the sun. I have already told you about sun is a huge hot ball gas. So that's why we can't see the stars, because sun will dominate the stars. The sunlight is so strong that the stars hide in the light. The sun is also similar to a star. For example, both the sun and the stars are made up of hot gas and they have their own heat and light. Both are in round in shape and far away from the earth. Hence, the sun is a star. Do you know which is bigger star in the sky? Why does the sun look bigger even if it is not the biggest star? Though the sun looks the biggest star, but it is not the biggest in the universe. There are other stars which are bigger. The sun is closer to the earth. That, for example, both the sun and the stars are made up of hot gas and they have its own light, right? So both are round in shape and also far away from the earth. So that's why the sun is a star. Both are similar. That's why the sun is a star. And the sun is closer to the earth than the other stars, and that is why the sun will look bigger than the other stars. Okay children, this is the topic about the twinkling stars. Now let's start the workbook. Open your workbook children. Okay children, everyone open page number 13. We are doing S3 topic, twinkling stars. Write today's date, that is 15-12-2020. Okay, let's do the first bit. Write words that describe a star inside the given stars. These are the stars. We have to describe some words about the stars. One is twinkle, and the other one is the stars are countless, right? So countless. And what the shape of the star is? This is not the exactly shape of the star children. Just we draw like this the shape of this star. But actual shape of the star is round. And which time we can see the stars? At the night time. So night. These are the 4 words we can describe about a star. Let's see the second question. Why is the sun called a star? Why children? Because the sun is also a star and it has its own light and it is a huge ball of gas like a star. Let's see the answer. Okay. The sun is called a star. It has its own heat and light. It is huge ball of gases like a star. Okay. Third question. Why do the sun look bigger than the other stars? Because it's closer. They are stars larger in size than the sun, but they look smaller than the sun from the earth because they are very far away. The sun is near to the earth. That's why we can see big, and the stars are very far away. That's why we can see smaller. That's why the sun look bigger than the stars. This is the answer children. Now open your reader. Page number 112. This is your class activity children. You have to draw the globe. Draw a globe. I'll show you. Draw a class activity. Draw a globe and write few lines about it. Okay, you have to draw like this. See, you have here the globe. See this and draw the globe and write few lines about the globe children. This is your class activity. Till this we have completed block 18. Complete your workbook S1, S2, S3 and S4 and complete the classwork and complete the class activity. We have only 3 question answers and 1 class activity. Okay children, complete it. Thank you.